The effect of color on dogs. This is my literature review. This source is a scientific journal. I use this source to learn more about the way dogs see color. This source is related to my project because I'm testing which color dogs are attracted to. There is experimental data that suggests dogs are able to see red and green. This source is an encyclopedia. I use this source to find words for my glossary. This source defines the word color, and I'm testing dogs' attraction to color. There is no experimental data for this source. This source is a scientific journal. The source talks about if dogs are colorblind or not. This relates to my project because I'm testing color, and I need to know if dogs are able to see color. Dogs, cats, and raccoons are colorblind, or so nearly so that they are only slightly, if at all, dependent on color stimuli. This source is a scientific journal. I use this source to learn more about the way dogs see color. This source is related to my project because I'm testing which colors dogs are attracted to. Dogs have a cone pigment with peak sensitivity of about 555 nm, which is the color green. If I place treats under different colored plates, then the dog will be attracted to the color blue and will choose that plate the most, because dogs can see some colors but have a hue of gray. My question is, what color are dogs attracted to the most? My independent variable is the color of paper. My dependent variable is the color dogs are attracted to the most. How will the dependent variable be measured? The color he goes to the most. My constants are dog treats, the colored plates, and the dog. My materials are colored paper, plates, dog treats, dog, paper, and pen. I put dog treats under 4 plates with colored paper on top of them. I restrained my dog and then let him free to choose which color he preferred. He was very excited, so I had to calm him down. Once he was calmed down, he chose the color he preferred. I marked down the color he chose each time. First, I put dog treats under 4 plates with colored paper on top of them. After calming him down, I let him choose the color he preferred. I marked down the color he chose each time in my notebook. I discovered that dogs prefer the color red the most. My dog would try to eat all the other treats after he chose the first time. My conclusion: I thought dogs prefer the color blue the most, but doing my research I realized that dogs prefer the color red. After my experiment, my dog sat where the treats were, waiting for me to set more down. Whenever I would walk in the room, he would get really excited and jump around, so I had to calm him down. I let him get one extra one to calm him down, and it worked. In conclusion, dogs prefer the color red the most because he chose red 57% the time out of 100.